one, I can see in 3D. So instead of a two-dimensional image, which we have with laparoscopy, normal straight sticks, I have a 3D image, see much better, makes the operation safer, especially when we're dissecting around structures, when we're taking down adhesions right against the intestines. So that's very important. Number two, instead of having straight stick instruments like we do in laparoscopy, we now have instruments with wrists on the ends. So now anything I can do with my hands, I can do with that robot. And actually, whereas I can only turn my wrist about a little over 180 degrees, the robotic wrist can turn about 450 degrees. So over 360 degrees around. So it's even better than my own wrist. So allows us to do a lot more things on the inside, like sewing, like removing pieces of intestine and sewing those back together all on the inside. We do colectomies or partial colectomies, doing those on the inside. But from a hernia standpoint, it allows us to do things that we've never been able to do from a minimally invasive approach. So that's the biggest reason for doing robotics, is that we can now do things that used to require a big open incision, and in a lot of places and in a lot of hospitals, even around here, people will go in to see a surgeon, and that's the only surgery that surgeon does. So they're going to end up with a big open incision.